Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Robinhood Banking, complete guide step by step. To authenticate with Robinhood Banking, start by opening the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Once the app is open, navigate to the Account tab located at the bottom of the screen. In the Account menu, select the option labeled Robinhood Banking. You may be prompted to enter your login credentials, including your email and password. After entering your credentials, tap on the Login button. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, a verification code will be sent to your registered phone number or email. Retrieve the code from your device and enter it in the designated field within the app. After entering the verification code, tap Verify to proceed. Once verified, you will gain access to your banking features. To link an external bank account, navigate to the Linked Accounts section within the banking interface. Select Link New Account to begin the linking process. You will need to provide your external bank account information, including the account number and routing number. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the linking process. Once your external account is linked, you may be required to authenticate it. This usually involves a small verification deposit made by Robinhood. Check your external bank account for the deposit and confirm the amount in the app. After verification, your external bank account will be fully linked to your Robinhood banking account. You can now deposit and withdraw funds easily. Make sure to regularly check your account settings for any required updates or additional verification steps. This ensures a smooth and secure banking experience with Robinhood. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.